Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook pixel issue. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook pixel issue, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that you will go to click clear cache. Then you will click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff here, as you see, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.